Hey guys, welcome back once again. Let us see the branches of the descending genicular artery. Then we will finish the blood supply of the knee joint, right friends? So if you haven't watched the previous lecture, go and watch to know about the branches of the popliteal artery that I have discussed in a detailed way, right? Let us begin with our lecture regarding the branches of descending we say here descending genicular artery. Clear, friends? So first of all, what is genicular artery? Genicular artery is a branch of, you can see what is descending genicular artery. Descending genicular artery is a branch of femoral artery. This is our femoral artery, then it gives popliteal artery and the descending genicular artery. I have discussed this in a big detail in the previous lecture. You can watch it there, right? So what is this? This is a branch of femoral artery. Everyone knows femoral artery. Where does this artery arises, right? What is the origin point of this artery? So this artery arises at the lower part of adductor hiatus, right? So this is our adductor muscle and here is our adductor hiatus, right? So this artery here, this artery arises at the lower part of adductor hiatus, lower part of adductor hiatus, right friends? What is the length of this artery? The length of this artery is about 1 centimeter. It's a very short artery. And what is the diameter of this artery? Its diameter is also very less. It's about 2 mm, 2 millimeter in diameter. And what are the branches of this artery? So this artery gives off two important branches that I have mentioned in the previous lecture, right? Let's come and see here. This is our descending genicular artery and it gives off two branches. The first branch, which is going medially, is called the Softness Branch, right? Let me colorize it like this, Softness Branch. And the second branch from it is the Articular Branch, right? So the first branch is the Softness Branch. Clear, friends? Softness Branch. And the second one, as we have mentioned here, it's articulating around the knee, right? So this is our articular branch. How many branches from it? Two branches. So the Softness Branch and the articular branch. The Softness Branch will make anastomosis with the, look friends, this is the Softness Branch and if we follow it, it comes and making anastomosis with the inferior medial genicular artery. This is our inferior medial genicular artery and it has made an anastomosis with that, right? So this Softness Branch anastomose with inferior medial genicular artery. Inferior medial genicular artery, right friends, and supplies blood to the medial aspects of the knee and to the skin of this region also. And then there is articular branch, right? This one, articular branch. So this articular branch comes and make anastomosis with the medial superior genicular artery. So it anastomoses with, let me write it here, anastomose with superior medial genicular artery. Clear, friends? So these two branches are the branches of the descending genicular artery. So here we are finished with the blood supply of the knee joint. In the previous lecture I have discussed about the branches of popliteal artery. In this lecture, in a very short lecture, we discussed about the descending genicular artery and its branches. So here you can see, look, this is our descending genicular artery. This is its Softness branch, right? And what is this? This will be its articular branch. So this is its articular branch. Clear? And here you can also see that. What is this? This is our descending genicular artery, right? This is its Softness branch, right? And this is its articular branch. Clear, friends? Okay, so this was about the blood supply of the knee joint. And relate these two lectures, friends, please. The lecture about the popliteal artery and this lecture regarding the descending genicular artery. Then you will make a clear concept of the blood supply of the knee joint. Now in the next lecture, inshallah, we will discuss about the branches of this posterior and interior tibial artery, and we will discuss the blood supply of the leg. Then we will move towards the blood supply of the foot. So see you there. Till then, Allah Hafiz.